I'm breathing. Inhale and exhale. Welcome to another quick self-care moment. Someone with ADHD like myself, I've been on the computer focusing since 8 a.m. I woke up late, so I have a couple minutes to come outside and just listen and inhale the fresh air. Can you hear the crickets? Beautiful. So blessed to have these beautiful trees for birds to nest. Thank you, Dave, my sweet husband, for this beautiful front yard we have. Thank you, God, for your nature. And over here, this bird box, there is a home in here with eastern bluebirds. The eastern bluebird is one of my favorites. I'm here in Florida. He was one of the first birds that I identified many years ago when I fell in love with nature. So I saw Mama or Papa fly out of that box, and soon I'm sure we'll hear little babies. So here's the butterfly garden with the milkweed. I saw a caterpillar yesterday. I know you're around here somewhere, buddy, but I really and truly... Oh, look, there's a bee. Where are you, baby? When you stop and take a pause to be mindful of what is going on outside of us, there's teeming life everywhere in God's nature. Welcome to our pad. Gotta get back to work. Remember to breathe. Have a great day.